What if I told you with a single AI tool you can create baby dancing video like this? You don't need a third party or to use other apps to create something like this. You don't need to even download any application to create baby dancing video like this. You see, this is the example of the video I used to generate something amazing like this using Nano Banana tool that was just released few days ago. I used the AI tool to create something amazing like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to create this trending baby dance video using your smartphone. And without wasting much of your time, let's go driving into it. But if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's get started. So we are going to be using this single AI tool to generate our photos and also to generate our image and to also generate our video. Now, I'll be leaving down the link to this AI tool on my description or the comment section of this video. The next thing you are going to do is just to click on image like this. And when you click on image, it's going to bring you to an interface. Now, we are going to be using Nano Banana 2 to generate our image. As you can see, you click here and you select your model, Nano Banana 2, to generate our image. Now, the next thing we are going to do is just to paste our prompt here. And I'll be leaving down this prompt on my description of this video or my Telegram channel. If I need the prompt, you let me know and I'm going to send you the prompt. Now, we are going to select here like this so that we select our aspect ratio. We want to use it for TikTok, so we want to use 9.16 here. And after that, we need our image to be on 2K or 1K. You can select anyone. Now, let's leave it on 2K. Now, after that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate here. Now, when you click on generate, you just give it some minutes and it's going to generate your image for you. Right now, as you can see, it's generating the image already. Now it has successfully generated our image. Let's view our image. Now this is the image it generated for us. Let's view the image. As you can see, this is the image. Now this is the image it generated for us. You guys can see the image. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click on download here and we are going to download it to our phone. Now the image has been downloaded. The image has been downloaded to our phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back. Just go back. Now this time we are going to click on video here. Now, when you click on video, it's going to bring you. Now, when you click on video, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, as you can see. Now, as you can see, motion scene here. This motion scene, you just click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. Now, the image you just download right now, you upload the image here. As you can see, upload. You upload the image. This is the image. Now we have uploaded the image. Now we will upload our reference video. So we just click here and we upload the video we want the baby should dance to. We upload the video. Now let's upload the video. Click on upload. Now I have the video on my phone. You just click on upload. So it's uploading the video. Let's give it some minutes. Now it has uploaded the video. The next thing we are going to do is just to click on generate. As you can see, you click on generate here. Now it's generating it. Let's give it some minutes and you guys are going to see the result. Finally, our result is here. Now let's play it and see. This is the result. Let's play it. Now, as you guys can see, this is the result. Just like the way the video is. This is our result. Sorry, it's because of my network. That is why it's somehow. But as you can see, this is how you are going to do it using your smartphone. With this app, everything is done. You don't need to go and use another app to generate your image, or you use this one to write your prompt. No, with this, with a single prompt, just paste it and you generate your image, you generate everything using this website. So the link to this website will be in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. Just check it and you are going to see it so that you can be creating baby trending dancing video like this using this website. Now, when you register on the website, you need to upgrade your package so that you can be creating videos always. And when you come to the upgrade package here, you are going to see they have monthly plan. On their monthly plan, you can create up to 50 videos. As you can see, 50 videos and up to 40,000 images, and also up to 30 consistency character, and you can see their package here, and all you need is just $14, which is equivalent to, like, just say all you need is just $14, and you subscribe for the monthly package, and you will be creating amazing videos every day. You'll be creating amazing videos which you can be uploading on your social media, like your TikTok account. As you can see, they have different type of package. You can decide to choose anyone. So for a person who is just starting, you can decide to try for 1 month here, which is just $14. But if you decided to go for an year annually plan, you can choose here, which you are going to be paying $7 per month. But this one you need to pay in full. So this is how you are going to get this package, and you'll be creating amazing trading baby dance videos. You can also create amazing things using this platform. When you come to videos, you can use different type of, as you can see, you can also use this AI tool to create frame to video, as you can see, text to video, edit your videos, as you can see, lip syncing. Maybe you want to do music, you can also use it. As you can see, upscale your video, as you can see, replace character. You can use it to do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things using this AI tool. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do it to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.